Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is April 16th, 2025, and we're diving into Autoliv's latest earnings report for the first quarter of 2025. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Autoliv's performance, especially given the current market dynamics and the company's strategic initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Autoliv reported net sales of $2,578 million for Q1 2025, which is a slight decrease of 1.4% compared to last year. However, the company has shown impressive improvements in profitability. John, can you shed some light on this?
Absolutely. While net sales saw a slight decline, the operating margin improved significantly to 9.9%, up from 7.4% last year. This was driven by successful cost reduction programs and organic sales growth. The adjusted EPS also saw a substantial increase of 37% to $2.15, reflecting strong profitability improvements.
That's quite impressive. What were the main drivers behind this profitability surge?
The main drivers were the execution of cost reduction programs, which led to a 6% decrease in total headcount and the ability to pass on tariff costs to customers. Additionally, the company benefited from a strong product mix and pricing strategy, particularly in regions like Europe and the Americas.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, analysts were forecasting an EPS of $1.70 for this quarter. How did Autoliv perform against these expectations?
Autoliv significantly outperformed expectations with an adjusted EPS of $2.15, which is 26.5% above the forecast. This beat was largely due to the company's effective cost management and strategic pricing initiatives, which helped offset the slight decline in sales.
That's a substantial beat. How do you think this will impact investor sentiment?
Such a strong performance against expectations is likely to boost investor confidence. It demonstrates Autoliv's resilience and ability to navigate challenging market conditions, which is always a positive signal for the market.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Moving on to operational efficiencies, Autoliv has been focusing on cost reductions. Can you tell us more about their progress in this area?
Certainly. Autoliv has successfully reduced its total headcount by 6%, which has contributed to improved operational efficiencies. Despite a negative free operating cash flow of $16 million this quarter, the company remains committed to its cost reduction initiatives, which are expected to support its 2025 guidance of around 2% organic sales growth and an operating margin of 10 to 10.5%.
How does the company plan to achieve these targets?
Autoliv plans to leverage its strong product portfolio and customer relationships, along with continued focus on cost management and strategic pricing. The company is also optimistic about its new product launches, particularly in China, which are expected to drive sales growth.
CEO insights and strategic initiatives. John, let's discuss the insights from Autoliv's CEO, Mikhail Bratt. What are his thoughts on the company's performance and future strategy?
Mikhail Bratt expressed satisfaction with the company's strong sales and profitability in Q1. He highlighted the successful navigation of the new tariff environment and the company's adaptability in a challenging geopolitical landscape. Bratt is optimistic about the record number of new product launches in China, which are expected to significantly improve sales performance in the region.
It sounds like Autoliv is well positioned for future growth. How important is the company's ability to manage tariffs in this context?
It's crucial. Autoliv's ability to pass on tariff costs to customers has been a key factor in maintaining profitability. This strategic approach, combined with a focus on operational efficiency, positions the company well to handle future uncertainties in the tariff landscape.
Key takeaways. In summary, Autoliv has delivered a strong performance in Q1 2025, with significant improvements in profitability and a substantial EPS beat. The company's strategic initiatives and cost management have positioned it well for future growth. John, thank you for your insights today.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure to discuss Autoliv's impressive performance and future prospects.
Thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Autoliv's performance in the comments below. Until next time,